Hi, I'm Mrs. Amodemo and this is Penny. Welcome to our math video. We are going to be reviewing all of the addition strategies and concepts we've been working on so far. Let's get started. All right, my friends, let me read the essential question by myself the first time and you read it with me the second time. How can you solve addition problems? Read it with me this time. How can you solve addition problems? What should we do? Penny, what should we do? Penny says we need to write an I can statement, and she's right. All right, my friends, what's the rule about that little word I? You're right, it has to be capitalized. I can. I love this word. How do we spell can? C-A-N. Solve. It's right up here. We can borrow it. S-O-L-V-E. Addition. It's right here, my friends. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N. Problems. I'm going to keep borrowing. P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S. I can solve addition problems with. You think you can help me spell with? Yes, W-I. Do you remember what two letters go? T-H. Good. With. W-I-T-H. Many. M-A-N-Y. Strategies. And strategies is a big long word, my friends, and I'm going to tell you how to spell it. It's S-T-R. So we've got S-T-R. A-T-E. A-T-E-G. And then I-E-S. And what goes at the end of my statement? Correct. We need a period. All right, my friends, let me read the I can statement by myself the first time and you read it with me the second time. I can solve addition problems with many strategies. Read it with me this time. I can solve addition problems with many strategies. Yeah, you should be asking yourself that question. What's that question? Penny, what's that question? Penny says, what does that mean? Well, this one you could probably solve without my help, my friends. An addition strategy is anything you do to help you add. So if you use your fingers to help you add, if you draw a quick pick to help you add, if you use counters to help you add, if you use a domino to help you add, anything you do to help you add, that's an addition strategy. Yeah, you're thinking, I can do this. Yes, you can. Of course you can. So I'm going to erase this, my friends, and then I want to talk vocabulary, and then we'll get started on some problems. Be right back. All right, my friends, the first vocabulary word I want to talk to you about is add-ins. So what's an add-in? Do you remember? Penny, what's an add-in? Penny says an add-in is the numbers you are adding. So my friends, in this number sentence, 2 plus 3 equals 5, what two numbers are we adding together? Because those two numbers that we're adding together are going to be our add-ins. Yeah, we're adding 2 and we're adding 3. So 2 and 3 are our add-ins. All right, my friends, in an addition sentence, which number is the sum? You know what? What's a better question? What number is the sum? Penny, what number is the sum in an addition problem? Penny says the sum is the answer to an addition problem. So if the sum is an answer to an addition problem, which one of these numbers is the sum? 2 plus 3 equals 5. Which one number is the sum in this number sentence? Yeah, the sum is 5 because 2 plus 3 equals 5. So my friends, those are two words you've got to remember when we're doing addition. Add-ins are the numbers you're adding, and the sum is the answer. Are you feeling up to doing a few math problems? Fantastic. Let's get started. All right, my friends, I have 6 problems for you. Now, before we get started, all of these problems are going horizontally. Can you take your hand and go horizontally? We talked about this in our last video. So we're going to solve our first 6 problems horizontally, and then we're going to do a few problems vertically. Vertically is up and down, and horizontal is side to side. All right, my friends? All right, let's look at this first one. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. I want to use my favorite strategy. Penny, what's my favorite strategy? Penny says I need to draw a quick pick, and she's right. That's my favorite strategy. All right, my friends, 2. How many counters do I need for 2? Yeah, I need 2 counters. 1, 2. How many counters do I need for 1? You're right, I need 1 counter. All right, my friends, I am going to circle the whole thing, and we just need to count it up. Would you help me count? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3. All right, my friends, so what is the sum of 2 plus 1? Yeah, the sum of 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, ooh, people are going, I got this. Here's what I want you to do then, my friends. Pause the video, solve the other 5 problems, and then hit play, and we'll see if we agree. All right, my friends, how did we do? Do we agree? I hope we agree. Take a second and double check. Make sure we're good. All right, my friends, I'm going to erase these, and we're going to do some vertical problems. Be right back. All right, my friends, I have 6 vertical problems for us to solve. Remember, vertical means they go up and down. So let's do this first one together, and then I want you to pause the video and do the rest on your own, okay? All right, let's do it. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. Do you want to do a quick pick, or do we want to use our fingers? You want to do both? All right, let's do both. Let's do a quick pick first, and then we'll double check it with our fingers. So I need 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I need 2 counters. 1, 2, and I'm going to circle them to show adding, and then, my friends, we just have to count it up. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the sum of 5 plus 2? Yeah, the sum of 5 plus 2 is 7. All right, my friends, let's prove it with our fingers. Let's prove it with our fingers. So here's 5 fingers, and here's 2 more. So let's count them up. You ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, my friends, pause the video, solve the rest. You can use your fingers. You can draw a quick pick. Just get it done. All right, my friends, how did you do? Do we match? I hope we match. How are you feeling about this? How are you feeling about adding? You feeling more comfortable? Let's do a quick check-in. Thumbs up. I got it, Mrs. Amodemo. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thumbs to the side. I'm working it out. It's making more sense, a little more practice, and I'm going to be awesome. Thumbs down. I'm still struggling, Mrs. Amodemo, but I have picked one strategy, and I'm going to work on that strategy till I'm really good at it. All right, thank you for letting me know where you are. I'm going to erase this. Let's try a word problem, and then we'll switch to paper. All right, my friends, here's our word problem. Let me read it the first time, and then you read it with me the second time. There are 5 red flowers and 4 green flowers. How many flowers are there? Read it with me this time. There are 5 red flowers and 4 green flowers. How many flowers are there? What should we do? Penny, what should we do? Penny says we need to break the problem down. We got to figure out what our start, our change, and our end are so we can solve this. All right, my friends. So there are, I found my start. There are 5 red flowers. So I'm starting with 5 red flowers. And I found my next number, 4 green flowers. So my change is going to be 4. How many flowers are there? How many flowers are there? So that's my end, my friends. That's the thing I don't know. I don't know how many flowers there are. But here's my question to you, my friends. If we've got 5 red flowers and 4 green flowers, and we're going to figure out how many flowers there are we putting the flowers together, or are we pulling something apart? Yeah, we're putting them together. And if we're putting them together, that means we're adding, all right? So if we know we're adding, my friends, we can add a plus sign to our change. And now we can write our number sentence. Tell me my number sentence. Yeah, it's 5 plus 4 is going to equal our variable. Oh, you remembered the variable's the thing we don't know. Fantastic. I'm so glad you remembered. All right, my friends. So we could use our fingers, and you can do that if you want to on your own. I'm going to draw a quick pic so you can kind of see what I'm thinking. All right, my friends. So I have 5. Well, it says red. I don't have red. Let's use pink. I have 5 red flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 4 green flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, my friends, I'm going to circle the whole thing and put it together. And now we're going to count it up. Would you help me count? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, my friends, so what is the sum? What is the sum of 5 plus 4? Yeah, our sum is 9. No, you're not done. Wait, we have to do a bar model. Why? Because we can. So bar models, my friends, you remember, you draw a great big rectangle, and then you're going to cut it in half horizontally, and then at the top you make one box bigger and one box smaller. So we're using our numbers 5, 4, and 9. I'm going to write them right here. So we're using numbers 5, 4, and 9. And then we've just got to figure out where they go. Biggest box. Penny, what number gets the biggest box? Penny says the biggest number gets the biggest box. My friends, what's the biggest number? 5, 4, or 9? Yeah, the biggest number is 9. So 9 gets the biggest box. All right, my friends. Smallest box gets it gets the smallest number. Which one's smaller, 5 or 4? Correct. 4 is the smaller number. 4 gets the smaller box. That means, my friends, we're left with 5. So 5 gets the medium-sized box. And then we just check it. So this top says 5 plus 4. See how they're on the same row? 5 plus 4. So that's modeling putting them together, and putting together is adding. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. We're done. You made that word problem look really easy. I'm impressed. All right, my friends, we're going to switch to paper, and we're going to rock it out. Be right back. All right, my friends, we've got 6 problems to solve. I'm going to model it with coins, but you can always do a quick pick if that's what you prefer to do. So let's start here. 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6. So I need 2 pennies for my 2, and I think I'm going to use 6 dimes for my 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, my friends, I'm just going to push them together. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, my friends, so what is the sum of 2 plus 6? Yeah, the sum of 2 plus 6 is 8. All right, my friends, go ahead and pause the video. See if you can solve the rest of these on your own, and then hit play to check. All right, my friends, do we agree? Take a second, double check. All right, my friends, let's switch, try a couple with dominoes. All right, my friends, I have 6 dominoes laid out in front of me, and our job is to figure out what number sentence we need to write using these dominoes. So let's do the upper left one, the first one together. So this is the upper left. All right, my friends, so these green dots, the green dots are going to be my first add-in. What number is shown by the green dots? 2. So we're going to write 2 plus, what's my second add-in? What number is shown by the blue dots? Yeah, they're 5. All right, my friends, now we need to find the sum. We need to put it together. So let's count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the sum of 2 plus 5? Yeah, the sum of 2 plus 5 is 7. Go ahead and pause the video, my friends. Write the remaining 5 number sentences and then hit play, and we'll see if we agree. All right, my friends, do we agree? I hope we agree. I hope this is making more and more sense. What, Penny? All right, my friends, Penny says I need to take her for a walk, but before I take Penny out, yes, you have to wait. Remember, the more you practice your addition facts, the easier they will become. I really recommend, my friends, you use flashcards. I showed you these in our last episode, and I just made them. I cut them out of some paper and wrote them up, but it's a great way to practice. So you sit there and you get used to going, 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Because the faster you know them, the easier a lot of the beginning addition is going to be. All right, my friends? Remember, if you get stuck, you can always go back to a previous video. They will help you. And the whole point of this, my friends, is to help that big, beautiful brain of yours learn more and more and more stuff, because the more you know, the more you're going to be able to do. What, Penny? Penny says I have to take her for a walk now. I'll be right back. All right, my friends, you know so many different strategies for addition. Make sure that you remember. You can use your fingers. You can draw a quick pick. You can use counters. You can use a domino. But no matter what, my friends, remember, we got to use that big, beautiful brain to figure it out. See you next time. Bye.